Welcome to this video tutorial dedicated to CRISIS WebGIS. CRISIS, an acronym for Comprehensive Risk Assessment of Basic Services and Transport Infrastructure, was a 2-year project started in 2020, funded by the European Civil Protection Mechanism. The CRISIS WebGIS is user-friendly and aimed at disaster and emergency management authorities in the cross-border regions of Albania, North Macedonia and Greece, which are the project's target areas. The platform is in English and has a modular structure, a feature that makes it easy to expand the tool's functionality and adapt it to areas other than the project area. The user accesses the homepage once logged into the CRISIS WebGIS with credentials. The homepage consists of a map centered on the project target area. To the right of the map is a toolbar with several buttons that allow various actions to be performed on the map. At the top of the map are a series of tabs, each of which opens a pop-up window to the left of the map. By clicking on each of these tabs for the target area of the project, it is possible to display the layers associated with the exposure database consisting of hospitals, schools and transport infrastructure, display the harmonised seismic hazard models, display the harmonised hazard model for landslides, display damage scenarios related to 11 historical earthquakes, simulate a real-time damage scenario, have landslide risk information for the elements in the exposure database. All layers activated in the CRISIS WebGIS are also queryable. Clicking on a particular element on the map makes it possible to get the corresponding information. A very useful function of the CRISIS WebGIS is the routing. Once the start and end points of a path have been defined on the map, for example, the end point could be a hospital, the routing allows the identification of the safest route for rescue teams to follow to avoid bridges potentially damaged by the seismic event simulated with the loaded scenario. Disasters know no national borders, and the affected areas often require immediate relief efforts, even from neighbouring countries. This video tutorial demonstrates that tools such as the CRISIS WebGIS can greatly support disaster and emergency management, even across borders. Thank you for following this video tutorial. If you have questions, please leave a comment.